Hey everyone, welcome back to the Bike Pulse. Today we're going to take an exclusive look at the 2025 Huawei Aito Mine Luxury SUV, the 5-seat edition. This SUV is the perfect blend of cutting-edge technology, comfort, and high-end design. Let's start by taking a look at the exterior. As you can see, Huawei has made a statement with the design of the M9. The front end is dominated by this large grille, which features the signature Huawei logo in the center. It's flanked by these ultra-modern LED matrix headlights, designed to not only look sharp but to provide incredible illumination at night. These headlights automatically adjust to the driving conditions, enhancing safety without compromising the aesthetics. From the side, the Aito M9 exudes a sense of power and elegance. The smooth lines flow seamlessly from front to back, giving the car a refined aerodynamic shape. The 21-inch alloy wheels are perfectly proportioned, adding a sporty touch to this luxury SUV. You'll also notice the chrome accents around the windows and the door handles, which highlight the premium finish. The overall design of the M9 strikes a perfect balance between aggressive styling and sophisticated luxury. Moving to the back, the Aito M9 continues to impress. The rear LED taillights span the width of the vehicle, adding a futuristic touch. The automatic tailgate opens effortlessly with just a wave of your foot, giving you easy access to the spacious cargo area. This SUV is built for convenience as much as for style. The first thing you'll notice is the high-quality materials. Huawei has spared no expense in making sure the interior feels as premium as it looks. Soft leather seats, real wood trim, and brushed aluminum details create an elegant and comfortable environment. At the heart of the Aito M9's technology suite is this massive 15.6-inch touchscreen display, powered by Huawei's HarmonyOS. Everything from navigation to entertainment is controlled seamlessly from this interface, and it even supports smart home integration. You can use voice commands to adjust the temperature, make calls, or even control your home's lighting, all without taking your eyes off the road. Behind the wheel, the digital driver's display provides real-time information, including speed, navigation, and driver assistance features. The M9 also comes with a full suite of autonomous driving technology, making every ride safer and more convenient. The 5-seat edition of the Aito M9 offers plenty of space for passengers, both in the front and the rear. The rear seats are incredibly comfortable with ample legroom and independent climate control. With heated and ventilated seats, even rear passengers get to experience the luxury and comfort this SUV provides. To sum it up, the 2025 Huawei Aito 9 Luxury SUV 5-seat edition is the perfect combination of technology, luxury, and performance. From its stunning exterior design to its tech-packed, comfortable interior, this vehicle truly delivers on all fronts. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more in-depth reviews of the latest cars. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.